as has been said, is initially targeting 30,000 young people. But looking at the partnership and the collaboration that is here, the government of Kenya will be willing to scale up our partnership so that we can take this program to 100,000 young people. And when I met my good brother, the director of UNDP, when he came to present his papers, and he mentioned to me how he would have wanted to engage the government of Kenya. I remember I told him, this is one thing that we had it in the Jubilee Manifesto. In fact, we had established a state department for internship, and we had called it internship and something, but we didn't succeed that time. So when John mentioned to me, I saw an opportunity where we can do this correctly this time round. And so I quickly informed John and his team in Treasury that this is a project we must support. And that is how we provided the first 2 billion shillings, which we have signed up here today. And let me put this in context, because I have many partners in this space. We have the private sector here. We have development partners here. We have the government of Kenya. Now, the private sector, whenever I have meetings with them, they tell me, Mr. President, your graduates, engineers, business people, technicians, when they get out of college, they are not yet ready for the job market. And they possibly are right. We have young people on the other side who are asking the question. I have a degree, like Stella said,